Good day, today I will show you how to use TikTok Mass Reporter. For more detailed information, you can contact us via the Telegram address in the description. First, we select TikTok, which is the platform we want to do Mass Report on. From here, we can see details such as the service status and API information. We continue by clicking the Start Report button. When we click it, we need to enter the target username or profile link. Since I am using it for testing, I previously selected Donald Trump's account. You can enter your own target. After you choose your target, you need to select a report option. Since this is a mass report, the category is not very important. This part is important. Depending on your target and the plan you purchased, you need to choose how many mass reports will be sent. If your target has a very high number of followers, please contact us on Telegram. We will check it and tell you the required number of mass reports. Since I am doing a test, I choose a random number. Now we need to set the delay between reports. If you are sending between 500 and 1000 mass reports, I recommend a delay between 5 and 60 seconds. If you are sending between 1000 and 10,000 mass reports, I recommend a 1-second delay. After setting the delay, check and confirm the details of your report. Make sure your target is entered in the correct format, then click Start Report to begin the process. At this point, you can be sure that the mass report process has started. Through our software, our bot has automatically started reporting your target from the selected category using thousands of accounts. By clicking the Refresh Status button, you can see how many reports have been sent and how many are left. Since this is a test, I will stop the report process for now. If you want to buy a plan for our bot, you can contact us through the Telegram addresses in the description. See you soon, have a nice day.